don't know, Dingley Dell or something of that nature. It's springtime. Yes, it's springtime in England, and needless to say, I've got a runny nose and a cold. And just a couple of weeks ago it was snowing, but now it's full-blown spring. As you can see in this particular video, I'm going to show you all sorts of springtime stuff, well, bits and pieces. And you'll be no doubt stunned by the amazing display of springtime light and what's that? Fecundity, if that's the right word. The fecund nature of British springtime. Everything's green, it's all fresh, and well, when the sun's out, it's actually quite warm. I've got a thick jacket on because there's a hint of chill in the air, as usual. And no, but when the sun is on you, it's warm. Unlike back in Malaysia, where whether the sun was on you or not, it was swelteringly hot, like being in a warm shower all the time. But here, fresh air and a runny nose, that's what you get. Now then, I'm an indoor sort of person. Well, not quite. I'm a city sort of person. I like crowds and life and cafes and museums and art installations and theatres and pubs and, well, mass orgies and drink and food and life and making money and being out there with tons of stuff going on, you know. Whereas springtime, it's all about, well, communing with nature and lumps of old wood. There's some old wood there. There you go, that's a pretty old looking piece of wood. Pretty big and old. And suspiciously dead, but there you go. Looks like it's going to fall down. What is that? Well, there you go. Trees, birds, tweets. Have I got the sound of them? Well, I've got...
Have you been recording them?
I'm recording. Whether it can hear them or not, I don't know. It's one of those mysteries. It's like you saying, oh, look over there. And I look over there, and on my screen, it's a tiny little dot. Because I haven't got a zoom lens of any note here. So where are we, Helen?
Yes. We're at Swan Wood.
Swan Wood, there you go.
Near Stock.
I was going to say near Swan Lake, but...
No, I don't think so.
Yeah. And of course, why are we here, Helen?
To take photos of Bluebells.
And you brought your big camera, your really expensive camera to take photos of all the Bluebells. And what did you do, Helen?
Well, I left the SD card behind. So I can't use my camera.
Yeah.
But
There's
I've got
always
a
an
really
excuse.
Nice camera on my phone.
Yes, so you say.
This is only 15 minutes away. I can come back again.
Yeah. Well, I don't know whether I can let you, because you might forget where you put the car or something then. Look, dead trees. They keep falling down. I wonder if that fell down in the big wind that we had, the hurricane we had the other day. Yeah. Yes, it looks like it's fell down quite recently. Oh, there's a lot of wood here for your wood-burning pizza stove. Right, what you're seeing is English bluebells. There's a lot of them about here, English bluebells, and why am I saying that they're English? Because, well, apparently Spanish bluebells have been infiltrating our ecosystem. Now then, will they take over? Oh, it's not just that, they're creating hybrids. So they're not just English bluebells, they're English-Spanish hybrid bluebells. But these, we think, are English. But quite frankly, I don't think I'll be able to tell the difference. But amongst aficionados of the bluebell, apparently it's a big deal. It's a bit like red squirrels, brown squirrels, and other such things as that. Now, if I was in Europe in woods like this, I'd be watching out for the bears. But I'm not. There's no bears here. Then I'd be watching out for the wild boar. No wild boars. Of course, once upon a time there were wild boars floating around. But not anymore. Having said that, mind you, I've met quite a few wild boars in my life, and they don't look like you would imagine. There's no wild boars here, are there?
No wild boars. Well, I cannot confirm or deny that one, Lawrence. I don't know.
Mind you, we've met a few wild boars, haven't we? See, I'm being ironic. Is that the word? Is it ironic or metaphorical or something like that?
Cynical.
Cynical. Right, let's have another look at prettiness writ large. Okay, what birds are they? Helen's the nature expert.
That's a dog bird.
That's very useful. I know, it's a Tweety bird.
It is indeed. I really have no idea. I'm sorry. I wish I did. I wish I knew better. But I don't.
An awful lot of British birds you can hear, but you never actually see. And in fact, the noisiest ones are the tiniest ones usually. Oh yes, yes.
I think that was a robin.
Ah, right.
And if it went for a long time, it was a wren.
Right, there you go.